Imagine waking up every day in Dulce Pacífico, where the tropical rainforest meets the ocean. Here, biodiversity surrounds you. Toucans, monkeys, and natural waterfalls in your own backyard. Exclusive lots with breathtaking views and top-tier infrastructure. A sustainable design, paved roads, and 24/7 security ensure comfort and peace of mind. Just minutes from Marino Ballena National Park, perfect for exploring and enjoying paradise. Dulce Pacífico, your home in harmony with nature.